expertly installed commercial and residential window films that deliver energy savings, privacy, and a healthier living space. This is the brand promise of US Film Crew. At USFC, we pride ourselves in providing the highest quality window film solutions in Pennsylvania and tri-state area for over 3 decades and counting. We have a comprehensive range of commercial and residential window tint films that solve any window-related issues at your home, office, or business. Our team is committed to providing cost-effective and long-lasting window film solutions that reduce utility bills, provide privacy, and enhance the well-being of building occupants. We're Pittsburgh's favorite window film installer. Over the years, we have changed the way people look at window films, becoming the leading choice for window film solutions among the biggest names in the country. Why should you trust US Film Crew? Our clientele comprises of household brand names with a global sphere of influence. Our expert installers have completed thousands of projects. Chances are, they've been in your area recently. Visit usfilmcrew.com or dial 412-961-8468 to get in touch with us. USFC, your trusted window film resource.